Hi guys, we received this for kitchenware shelving for viewing purposes. I think it's really nice. It comes with everything you need to install it and some hooks so you can hang some things. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. It comes with all the instructions and everything. Okay. Here we got them. This is the instructions, all the part list, how to assemble it, okay, and how it will look at the end, okay? So let's start assembling it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It's very firm and it feels of a very nice quality, and as I've said, it includes with some hooks that you can place whatever you want. So you can hang more things. Let's say a hat or something like that. And it's nice because you can place and organize whatever you need to have organized. Like these are some tools. We're gonna go on the first one. Something like that. This. As you can see, and it's really convenient because you can place it wherever you need because it doesn't take that much of space, and you have many racks so you can accommodate everything you need. Perfect for your kitchen, your backyard, your garage, wherever you want to place it. I think it will do a very nice work. I find it quite nice. As I've said, it feels of a very nice quality, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.